Good evening. For today's video, guys, I'm going to cook as tuna steak, yellowfin tuna steak using my skillet salad master. So, ang gagamitin ko, I'm gonna use tuna steak here. Ayan. And then I squeeze lemon, and then I add parsley and pepper. That's all. No other seasoning. And I'm gonna use this is salad thing. This is olive oil, and there's like garlic in there, so I'm gonna use like 1 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon. So I'm gonna put into my skillet. Let's do it. Smells good. Preheated. And then I'm gonna put my tuna steak. Tuna steak, I put it already. Well, tuna steak. I'm gonna add garlic. I'm gonna add that on the side. This is my first time to cook this like this, okay? A drop of olive oil only. And then the beans. And then cover. So once this one is making a noise, it means it's cooking. Salad master skillet plug. So once this one is making a noise, ayan, it means it's cooking. So I just add pepper and parsley, and then squeeze lemon pala. Ayan. I squeeze lemon into the fish. Yun lang ang seasoning niya. Lemon. And then olive oil. So let's see how it goes. First time ko magluto dito sa skillet, guys. This is my magic cooker. The salad master skillet. So let's see how it goes. What is it in there? Yeah. Let's open, and it's making a noise. Ooh, la la. Let's flip it over. It's a vegetable cooking. Walang lasa. Ayan ang pagkain ng mga taong may mga running bawal. I can put a little bit of pink sauce. Doesn't harm. Cover again and cook for a few minutes. How many minutes left? 37 minutes. So I can make it lower. Around maybe Just only maybe 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. Ganito na talaga guys. Ang gagamitin ko na palagi. And because this is nice for people have lots of bawal na pagkain. Maganda itong yung skillet kasi siya yung din siya is very tasty also even you don't put any salt or stuff. But I just add a little bit of this. Very, very tiny amount of salt. Kasi nasanay na rin ako sa salt. Yan. Parang may lasa lang ko nito. Ang tawag nito is Salad Master for the healthy living. So, ito yung nilulutuan ko para sa asawa ko. Kasi marami na siyang bawal nakakainin. So, I make salmon today. Fresh. No, not fresh. I mean, tuna. Tuna steak. Masarap ito. Gusto niya ito. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng lemon. Ayan. Ayan natin. Mag-iingay na naman. Baka luto na. Let's open. Tadaan! Ngayon, tingnan natin sa loob kung luto na ba. Oh, luto na. Let's cook. And then, vegetables cook. Na-steam niya yung kasi nagtutubig din siya ng sariling it makes his own sauce. Even I didn't put any sauce. Ayan lang. So, everything is cooked. Let's turn it off. And then, hainin natin. And then, flip it over. Tadaan! Kasi mas maganda dito. Lagyan ko ng herbs. Lagyan natin dito para maganda tingnan. This is onion, beans, small amounts lang daw kakainin niya, hindi big amount. So this is a dinner for my hubby. Ayan. Healthy living na. Ayan na yan. Fresh steak, tuna. Looks yummy. May garlic. Oh, dili siya ma-board kasi may garlic. Mayroon ng Tikman nga natin kung masarap to. Masarap kasi I put lemon. So delicious tea. Mas masarap pa kaysa picture. And this is it. Ta-da! Yummy, yummy. The dinner for today. Yan lang. Walang kanin, walang patatas, only vegetable ang partner. Healthy.
That's good for you then.
There you go.
Too much.
It's not too much. This vegetable looks too much. How is it?
Very nice.
Very nice, of course. So yun na, guys. Pinakain ko na yung bossing ko. Masarap daw yung luto ko. Siyempre, Salad Master Skillet ang gamit ni Mama Jo. That's it for now. Happy cooking lang. Happy healthy cooking. Bye!